Present for sale at Three Pines Garage. Registration NJ16YFE. 2016 Ford Transit Custom 2.2 TDCi 155 PS Low Roof D, Cab Limited Van L1. It has done 132,000 miles with 2 owners from new. The van comes with air conditioning, parking sensors, alloys, DAB radio, Bluetooth, heated windscreen, heated seats, cruise control, tow bar. This 2.2 custom crew cab benefits from a great factory specification. It's a low-owner vehicle with sensible mileage and one of the last timing chain engines with the higher bhp output, so it's certainly not one to be missed. A full MOT and full service are included in the sale, part exchange is considered at trade value, finance options available and warranty is included. There is no VAT. You can contact us at 07300 300 101 or at 01885488188. Go to threepinesgarage.co UK now to find up to 100 crew vans, panel vans, and 9-seaters in stock. Open 7 days a week for viewing.